My love, I know it's been a week, but I've just returned home from Egypt. I went looking for the alchemist, like that boy in the book. My navigators were YouTube mediums, and this journal. This is where I wrote down all of my secrets, my confessions and dreams, and so many sonnets for you. And although I know you may never hear them, I hope you can feel them when you close your eyes and that breeze brushes by, the one that carries the smell of my perfume. Just know that I'm still dreaming, still dancing, still searching for you. And on this journey, my love, I've discovered many truths. Like the leaves, they don't die with autumn. They just leave home like children do. And the treasure? It was never in Egypt. It's always been in the longing, in the same way that every day I still write to you.